Hello students, welcome to Sai Charan EduHub. In this video, let us understand the concept of reflection. To understand the concept of reflection, we need to understand three different terms. Those are incident ray, reflected ray and normal. When a light ray travels and strikes the mirror, that is called as incident ray. When 90 degrees is drawn to the incident ray is called as normal. The angle at which the incident ray forms with normal is called as incident angle of incidence. It is represented by theta I here. So as per the reflection concept, when a light ray hits the mirror, it changes its direction and deviates into the same medium. So you can see the ray OQ which is reflected back with an angle of theta R. So this is called as a reflected ray. So according to the law of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So any questions that you get from the first unit, you start with the definition of reflection and mention the law of reflection with this diagram.